Hi guys, welcome to another episode of Nightlife in Accra, and tonight we are visiting Front Back. Tonight we are with Front Back manager, who is no one else but
Kojo, and welcome to Front Back.
One amazing thing you come to love about this place is the artworks that they have here. If you get to this space, everywhere is just made of beautiful, amazing creative artworks everywhere. And they are works that are going to inspire you, that are going to motivate you in so many ways. Kojo, can you tell us a little bit about Front Back?
Front Back is a members club made by 40 artisans who came together to put up the space about 4 years ago. We tried to do that to change the narratives regards to the hospitality industry. Currently, we can hit our chest and say we've done a yeoman's job, which fetched us a couple of awards from the Remy Martin, the Tales of the Cocktail, and so on. We have a partner and a CEO of this place called Tarek Morgan. He loves art and he's crazy about art, and most of these people are his friends. So starting this place, he was the one who introduced them to us and basically also find out that, oh, this is interesting, what do we think about it? And we're like, whoa, let's have it. And indirectly to their pieces that always we put on our wall, we sell them. If you come here in 2-3 months, you will see the same paintings on the wall.
I love this place. It is one amazing place that I've come to enjoy. I have been coming here from time to time, and I always want to recommend this place to everyone who is watching.
Front Back is made up of 4 sections.
Okay.
The container, which is run by our local Stefania.
Right.
And we have the bar area, the indoor bar, and we have the outdoor bar, which is the terrace, and we have the library, where we are currently. The library serves as a lounge for privacy, intimate people who want to come and read, and most of the books here are from African artists.
If you're looking for somewhere that is promoting Africa, content around Africa, and if you want to know more about this continent, visit Front Back. Because just within the library alone, you have a whole lot of information available to you so that you can be able to view and read and discover more. So don't forget to visit the library whenever you visit Front Back. How do one get the opportunity to come to Front Back?
Okay, Front Back is a members club, and what you need to do is to sign up membership, or you need to know a member for you to have access to Front Back.
If I'm not a member and I don't know anyone who attends Front Back, I cannot attend Front Back.
No, you can't, unless you're on our good books, then we can put you on the list.
So what goes into becoming a member of Front Back?
To be a member, you need to sign up, and you can visit our website, which is www.frontbackaccra.com. You'll see all the information there. We have different type of membership, being a individual membership, corporate membership for companies, and also visiting membership. Maybe you are coming to Christmas for just 2 weeks. You don't need to sign up a 1-year membership. You can just sign up for just a month or 2 weeks membership.
My year of return people. Yeah, you hear that?
Which is also a good rate. Yeah, and also we do offer discount to people working in NGO as well. Yeah.
From our last episode we did, people have been asking, okay, so do I need to have millions of CDs or dollars to be able to chill at these places? How come you're not telling us about prices, and what is the price range like for a
what
space
I would
like
say
this?
is that everything is affordable, trust me, and it's made in Ghana. Made in Ghana are the best. So
Yes, of course. Come
you
on,
need to come and try our cocktails, our award-winning cocktails. You can see one of my mixologists making a cocktail behind the scenes. You need to come try it out.
one good thing I've loved about Front Back is the cocktail. They sell food, finger food here, but then when it comes to cocktail, I will give them the best credit for it. Best in Accra, best in Ghana so far. I am waiting for another person to comment below and tell me that they know the best bar in Ghana that does cocktail better than them. But then I personally feel like Front Back does the best of all.
If you come to Ghana, you talk about cocktails, it's about Front Back and the others.
No doubt, no doubt. It is the Honey Groove. Those of you who want to visit Front Back, it's one of my favorite drinks. And so if you come here, just make sure that you speak to any of the bartenders here and then tell them that you want the Honey Groove. Just you watching.
My name is Abana, and I've been in Accra for 2 years. And the first place that I was told I had to come and visit was Front Back. One of the things that I really, really love is the experience, the music, the people, black, white, Chinese, Asian, whatever you are, like you are family here at Front Back. And honestly, I love this place. If you're here in Accra, you got to come. You ain't got a membership, boo. Get on the guest list. Yes. It's so live. You're not gonna want to be anywhere else but Front Back.
Front Back can be found on First Osu Lane, Yaniba. If you go to Google Map, you type First Osu Lane, or you go to Google Map, you try out the container Accra. It will bring you here. You are not far away from the Magellan restaurant or Pepper Pub, or close to the Laboni Junction.
So it's so easy to get here. Pepper Pub. Pepper Pub is one popular place that everyone knows in Accra. And if you visit in Ghana for the first time and you want to get Front Back, use your Uber or your Bolt or whichever app you're using to order a car, or type on Google Map Front Back and it will bring you straight here.
Is an amazing space. It's full of lots of fun people. There's never a dull moment in Front Back. And you should visit, you should see it.
Tell us about the events that happen here, the activities that happen here at Front Back.
Okay. Yeah. With Front Back, we have weekly events, which we have the Fluid Tuesdays on Tuesdays.
Okay.
Pizarro's Playhouse on Wednesday with DJ Pizarro. And on Friday is the Wild Night. It's called Beats Friday. And
those of you like to be wild night, don't forget.
And on Saturday we have the Vim Night with DJ Vim.
Okay.
And on Sunday we have Vision Sundays with ADJ and Vision DJ as well.
Do you have a favorite night? Even though this is your space and you work here and you manage this place, do you have a favorite night?
My favorite night is Sundays.
Sundays? Why Sundays?
Sundays is a chill out night. You know, you start from CP and you sip on some champagne.
Yeah. Okay. If you want to enjoy life in Accra, you want to enjoy the Front Back experience, all you need to do is to become a member, apply for the membership, and they will give you a lineup of all of the activities here. And this place is never boring. It's never a boring vibe at any time of the week because they have a lot of activities happening here. So Kojo has said a lot. I've also told you a lot. And
one of the things that I can enjoy about Front Back is the architecture. I think that was one of the first things that I noticed, is that it's this idea of value in plain sight, where outside it might look like a shanty house, but when you come inside, the decor is extraordinary, and it kind of goes with this whole idea that the value is within.
First time in Ghana. Amazing place, great vibes, beautiful people, great energy. We're so, we're blessed, to be honest, blessed to be here. But most importantly, you just look around. This is a once in a lifetime opportunity. Not everybody gets this chance to do this.
Any last message for my people?
Front Back is a safe space and a great place to be at. Thank you for watching and try and visit us.
Alright, so if you are new on this channel, don't forget to subscribe. It is the nightlife in Accra. It is the Front Back experience tonight.